When you don't have time to cook, you often have to pick between flavor or nutrition. But CookUnity gives you both. This isn't your typical meal kit. There's no chopping, no prep, no guesswork. Instead, CookUnity brings you fully prepared meals from award-winning chefs made fresh and delivered right to your door, ready to heat and enjoy in minutes. Think restaurant-quality dishes without ever leaving home. From perfectly roasted salmon to globally inspired bowls, rich pastas, and vibrant plant-based creations, every meal is designed to feel indulgent, satisfying, and effortlessly elevated. But what truly sets CookUnity apart is the talent behind every dish. They have more than 100 renowned culinary creators, from Michelin-starred chefs to James Beard winners, and Food Network icons who each bring their own voice, culture, and creativity to the table. These aren't factory-produced meals. They're crafted in small batches by real chefs and their teams who pick their own ingredients. The subscription is flexible, and it's easy to find a meal plan that fits your budget. Choose from 4 to 16 meals per week, each starting at about $12 each. You can also explore a rotating menu of over 300 dishes, 25 cuisines, and 10 diets, like high-protein, plant-based, gluten-free, and more. Meals arrive fresh, never frozen, and stay ready to enjoy for days. Just heat, plate, and savor. There's no prep or cleanup, so you have more time to relax instead of stressing over what's for dinner. This is the future of eating well. Visit CookUnity.com to unlock 50% off your first order.